Hi everyone, myself Eriswamy HS. I am here to explain my seminar topic that is Android based security lock system with password reconfigurable option using Bluetooth and microcontroller. These are the some contests. Abstract. Our essential motive of designing this tool is to provide a greater secured multi-level protection and password reconfigure option using PAN, that is personal area network protocol gadgets like Bluetooth and microcontroller. Android clever telephone are included to this protection lock to provide a GUI, that is graphical user interface, for our customer to have greater flexible and right away accessible. The APK, that is Android Package Kit, connecting to device are advanced beneath the assist of Android Improvement Platform MIT App Inventor. This form of protection locks will provide a greater low fee secured smooth to put in and lose from thefts. Introduction. We see many issues over the society with conventional locks getting theft with duplication of keys and nameless tools. The trim over the shape of problems this Android based totally completely safety lock with microcontroller office offer higher answer with multi-level of securities and greater reachable GUI to purchaser to address in all path of elements. This kind of locks may be used for automobile ignition starters, schools, hospitals, domestic banks, and other main sectors. As these locks are incorporated to Android programs, it's easy and greater secure to us. The systems reduces the crime and an unauthorized getting access to our premises. As using PAN device like Bluetooth, there is no alternative using of conventional keys. Hardware circuits relating our safety locks may be placed inside the walls of presses, so the unauthorized can't assume the location place of Wi-Fi protection locks, as the password may be with maximum duration with special characters. It is going to be tough to expect with the aid of unknown women and men entering to skip the security. Even the legal person phone is accessed, however converting password are blanketed with login templates. Hardware and software. First one, hardware. A set of digital modules are used to prepare a Wi-Fi Android based totally security locks, which are briefly described inside the subsections. First one, Arduino UNO. It's a multi-controller based totally platform which might be utilized in rapid prototyping, product development and different custom designed packages. Seeing all component and necessities of designing our safety tools, it's enough and more finest. It has various functions of elements. We use few of them in our initiatives. UART protocol to connect Arduino, Bluetooth and Arduino utility IRO ports to address relay lock on or off. EEPROM to store is if user adjustments the password in our safety tool, it's enough and more. Bluetooth. Second one, it is a PAN, that is personal area network device used for short instance of conversation. Bluetooth module features supports masters and slave mode serial communications, and it works with frequency 2.4 approximately 2.524 gigahertz. Over the designing of the Wi-Fi security lock device, we are ideally the usage of HC05 module. HC05 are smooth to integrate with Arduino and provide a safety parameters earlier than connecting devices. Third one, relay. Relay are electromagnetic device electrically operated switch where the mini electromagnetic lock which works with 12 volt to 24 volt. This 5 volt relay coil will work as intermediate between the controller and the actuator and helps open and locking system. Fourth one, mini electromagnetic lock. The lock frame is product of iron cloth, hard and stable, low power intake voltage, 6 volt or 12 volt or 24 volt, 3 specs. Contemporary is handiest approximately 350 milliampere, 600 milliampere or 1.2 ampere. Strength instantaneous trigger releases symmetrical design, vivid processing, irrespective of the advantages. Terrible left proper generic installation, handy protection, anti vibration, anti prying, drilling, open design generation for an expansion of merchandise of cupboard. This module will get included to 5 volt relay. Step down converter. Fifth one, where most of the hardware modules of the security lock or works with 5 volt of supply, so need a protective and regulated supply. Using the below device we can achieve that. Second one, that is software. Programming of microcontroller and APK for Android. We need an IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, which provides integrated library functions and tools for designing. In software, first one, Arduino IDE, that is Arduino Integrated Development Environment. The open source Arduino software which helps to develop code and upload them to Arduino based boards. We have used 1.8.3 versions for programming. MIT App Inventor. Second one, MIT App Inventor. It's an online based Android app development and editor tool, uses a block code technique that helps in rapid APK development. Here is the methodology. Block diagram shows the Android based security lock system with password reconfigurable option using Bluetooth and microcontroller. The figure 6 describes the architecture of the complete application of wireless security lock system. Initially, the user has to install Bluetooth security lock APK to Android smartphone once after finishing of installation. Start pairing the corresponding Bluetooth module HC05 connecting over the security lock by entering Bluetooth module valid password. Once Bluetooth module is connected, it will be listed over the connected device. Then select the module and it's ready to send the security password to destination lock. Enter the valid password which have been saved in the hardware EEPROM memory of security lock, and with user requirement of open and closing of lock, select on open or close button. Flowchart. Here there are two flowcharts. First one is workflow diagram. Second, flow diagram for password configuration. Just go through these flow charts, you easily understand. Here is the result. The below picture demonstrates outcome of the device designed and describes the complete working. Each of the images are attached based on the output results and testing the device. Conclusion. This is an ongoing assignment. This paper gives primary idea of the way to manage domestic protection for smart domestic, mainly for door keys locks. We use solenoid door lock device as a prototype for indoor and outside key lock machine. It additionally provides a safety and smooth for Android mobile phone or tab customers. This venture based on Android and Arduino platform, each of which can be free open source software. So the implementation rate is inexpensive and it is low priced through a common person. Accomplishment of Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection is microcontroller permits the device setup in extra easy manner. The device has been efficaciously designed and prototyped to manipulate the DOS state of affairs. The usage of an Android Bluetooth enabled smartphone and Bluetooth module through Bluetooth HC05. Reference: I refer these two, and thank you.